everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to draw another figure from this book, which is exactly this figure, and I'm going to show you what kind of brushes I will use for my drawing. For this kind of drawing, I always use up these tiny brushes because I want to draw really elegant lines. And about watercolor, every brand that you like you can use, but this brand that I'm using is St. Petersburg, which is really good, and its quality is acceptable for my drawing. I always draw the clothes at first and then move to hands and then face, because drawing face needs to be more attentive and focus on your lines, and it might take too much time to drawing that part of the body. So I start with the other parts and then move to the face for the ending of my drawing. I have to confess that Persian drawing is not easy always. I need more practice and I should work out my lines because somehow I have some hesitation in my lines. But at whole, I think that they are good and my drawing will be great at the end of the video. Persian painting lets me be more focused and give me a peaceful time when I'm drawing. So I enjoy all the time when I'm drawing, and especially I really like to have my own sketch and have some colorful painting, because colors in Persian painting are amazing. I remember that I always were in love with Persian painting colors and colors combination. But in my channel, it seems that people more likely tend to watch the videos that are just drawing without color. But that's my plan. I'm going to have my own sketch and painting some new ideas in a style of Persian painting, and not just copy them from the book. And I hope you will love them and watch them all. In Persian painting, everything is based on the geometrical shapes, especially circle. Circle is a kind of holy shape in Persian painting, and most of the combinations, especially in the paintings that are contained of many figures, the combination of those figures or elements are based in circle, and in drawing figures too, everything is based on circle. For example, the form of the hand or the face or everything when you look at them and focus on them, you will find some signs of circle. And this drawing, I had to many times wet my brush and reuse color, and then go back to drawing, because I need to have clean water and clean color for drawing. And this figure has too much lines and fabric folds that is really practical for working on the lines and practice Persian painting. And at the end, I start to draw the face with lighter lines, and then I move to the darker one, but gradually. As you see, it is the end of the drawing. Please let me know your opinion about my drawing, and thanks for watching the whole video, and make sure to subscribe my channel to see and watch any new videos that I am sharing with you. Thanks for watching.